What's up, y'all? This is what it looks like in Texas right now. So we're gonna go on a drive here around the block. Now, as you can see, I'm driving on this road called Midway Road. It's a pretty busy road despite the snow. However, you can't see any lanes here. And so in this case, we're just supposed to drive kind of where we want, as long as we're not tailgating anybody and not too close to anybody on the side. Now this is a better example of a road where you can't see any lanes. It just looks like a giant ice rink. But the good thing is that there's snow on the ground and not ice, so it makes it a little bit easier to drive. Now if this was ice or packed with ice on top, it would be very, very difficult to maneuver and retain traction. So if you're wondering the same thing I'm wondering, is that minivan hauling ass? Yes, he is. There's always one or two idiots like that on the road. Be safe. And one last thing before I conclude this video. Check out how much snow there was adjacent to my garage. Thanks for checking out my video, guys, and stay safe out there.